Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how you can calculate an area field. Before calculation of the area, we want to know what is the unit, linear unit of this layer. So I'm going to the properties of this file and I am going to check the unit. In this case, the unit is meters. So my area unit will be square meters. Therefore, I'm going to open a field, open the attribute table, and then we will work with field calculator. So open the field calculator. Here I can create a new field and I can say this is area square meter. And then the output field type, we have to decide whether we want a whole number or we want a decimal number. In this case, because area will be a decimal number, we go with decimal number. And you previously learned that when you want to calculate something here, you can go to fields and values, and these are from or fields. So we can, for example, borrow numbers from population or do calculations based on those numbers. Another area that I want to introduce today is about the geometry. So we can also use the geometry properties to calculate something. And in this case, we also have area. You have some other parameters, and you also have some good explanation of how this works here. I'm going to use $area. This will calculate area, and it will use the projection linear unit. And I think we are all good. We don't want to update existing. We are creating a new, and everything is good. I'm going to calculate. At the end, we should be able to see our new field. For this is our new field area square meters. If you want to convert this to another unit, for example, if you want to convert this to, let's say, acre, and Google something. You can Google square meters to acres. Here, every square meter will be um, this much acres. So if I just copy and paste that number, sorry, let's just get that, copy that number, and I'm going back to my field calculator, and I am creating a new field. Let me open field calculator. This time I'm going to say area acres, and still we are going to use decimal. And I am going to use the field that I created. So I can go basically to fields and values and bring the area square meter, or I can still use geometry area. They are both fine and will do the same thing. And I can say multiply this number by this number that I got um, from my that relationship. This will create area in acres for me. And I'm going to say, okay, um, that number, those numbers are the area of the polygons in acres.